Hi, everybody. Welcome to our first midweek talk. Though I will still share the process of making a few compositions, I decided to take a different approach. Instead of giving you a structured exercise, I want to have a quick conversation about something important: how art making can help us improve in other aspects of our lives. So, why do we make art? Why do we feel the need to create? Why is it more than just a good thing to do, but actually a rather necessary thing to do? I assume that most of you watching this channel aren't formally trained in art. Maybe you do it as a hobby, as a way to relax, or simply as a means of self expression. But whether you are conscious about it or not, art making goes beyond just being a pastime. We all experience moments when we struggle to find answers, solutions, or even just clarity in our thoughts. During those times, we often seek ways to escape, like watching movies, exercising, going for a walk, shopping, socializing. Anything that helps us stay away for a while will help us recharge our minds, and eventually it will allow us to get back to our challenges with a clearer perspective. And this is one of the most powerful reasons to make art. You don't have to create just because you want to be a professional artist or sell your work. Art is about more than that. It helps you find balance, providing a space to focus, clear your mind, and see things from a new perspective. Unlike many other activities, art leaves you with something tangible. Watching a movie or going for a walk will bring you relief, of course, but when you create something, it stays with you. Personally, I love looking back at my work and acknowledging that each piece is a reminder of the challenges I overcame while creating it. So, beyond its materiality, art holds a deeper meaning. It represents accomplishment, reflection, and transformation. And that is why making art is not just something nice to do, but something truly meaningful. Even if you do it just as a hobby, even if you aren't a professional artist, just engaging in creative activities can bring you meaningful benefits. For instance, it reduces stress and anxiety, it boosts mood, it encourages mindfulness, it enhances problem solving skills, it helps your memory and focus, and also help your personal growth and self-expression because it increases your self-confidence and provides an emotional outlet. It also fosters connection because when you share your work with others, whether in person or online, It can lead you to new friendships and a sense of belonging. And also, it creates opportunities for collaboration. And making art also improves your motor skills. Not only that, but making art can also be therapeutic because art is used to help people cope with trauma, chronic pain, and other health conditions. And actually, art is a powerful tool of self therapy, offering a safe, expressive way to process emotions, to reduce stress, and to find inner balance. But above all this, making art, even if just casually, it's simply fun and joyful. And also a healthy break from routine. So I would love to know your drive when it comes to art, how it helps you escape and how it helps you reconnect with your environment. So feel free to let me know in the comments. As always, keep on practicing and thank you for joining us.